Hello everyone, welcome to learn about our automatic packaging line. We have recently launched a Spout pouch filling and capping machines, which can solve the needs of automatic filling and capping in one stop. First, the Spout pouch are manually placed in the designated position of the equipment in an orderly manner, and the equipment then enters fully automated operation. The turntable drive system uses our independently developed servo divider, which is small in size, light in weight and easy to install. Compared with the traditional cam structure, it can quickly return to the origin and achieve automatic zeroing, making the operation easier and the production efficiency higher. The equipment is equipped with 6 anti-drip nozzles, each of which can be controlled individually, and with the optical fiber electric eye, it can realize lifting filling to ensure efficient and drip-free. It is also equipped with a 316L stainless steel magnetic pump to ensure high-precision filling, excellent corrosion resistance, easy cleaning, and suitable for loading a variety of liquid materials. Ensure the subsequent filling work. Next, the materials are automatically filled with high precision. Our independently developed high-pressure filling head can accurately fill the material into the bag without leakage or backflow. The servo motor drive ensures the accuracy of each filling volume to meet the filling needs of different materials. The turntable transfers the canned product to the robotic arm for capping, ensuring that each cap is firmly sealed and maintains the integrity of the package. The capping department adopts an independent servo control mode, and the capping head is finely processed to ensure long-term durability and high capping accuracy. Moreover, our capping system is highly versatile and suitable for caps of different materials and specifications, ensuring the closure and quality of each product. It is also equipped with a patented electric eye device for precise positioning, realizing automatic induction capping and rolling, and will not work without bags, ensuring accurate and safe operation. The bagged products that have been filled and capped are automatically arranged and transported to the bag outlet via a conveyor belt, completing the entire automated process. The Spout pouch filling and capping machines of this automatic packaging line uses automated design to reduce manual operations and improve production efficiency. It is suitable for a variety of materials and bag types, and achieves stable and efficient production throughout the entire process. We are committed to providing you with first-class automated packaging lines. Welcome to contact us for more product information.